It's equally. Yeah.
24-hour breaking. 24-hour channel. Breaking news.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The Mad Monkeys are coming to town. An innovative project which is definitely going to cause a great impact among young people. The label, inspired by the wildest side of the jungle, is ready to bring us something we have been waiting for during the last years. Dance music revolution has been increasing more and more and has rocked Spain in all its aspects. Insane parties and madness is what Mad Monkeys offers. Join them to experience the boom because the Mad Monkeys escape from the jungle